activities planned for you, but first we're going to introduce ourselves really quickly. My name is Miss Ostovich. I am an elementary education major. My hometown is Germantown, Wisconsin, and I am a senior at Concordia this year.
Hi guys, my name is Miss Hubach. I am also studying elementary education. I am from Caldwell, Idaho, and I am currently a sophomore at Concordia.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Geisfeld, and I am a sophomore here at Concordia studying elementary education, and I am originally from Truman, Minnesota.
Alright, so we're just going to kind of tell you briefly about what we're going to do today and the order we're going to do them. First, we're going to start with some stretching just to get you guys warmed up and get that blood pumping. Some stretches are going to be sitting, standing, moving, staying still. You'll catch the hang of it. They're pretty easy.
The next thing we're going to do is a little fun activity that you can do inside, and we're going to have questions pop up on the screen. So for example, it'll say, is your favorite color red or blue? And if you like red, you'll do 5 jumping jacks. And if you like blue, you can do 5 squats. And so we'll have a series of questions with different activities to go with each.
And don't worry, we'll explain everything.
And then after both of those indoor activities, we're going to head outside and create our own chalk obstacle course where we will get to hang out on that and do a bunch of physical activities.
And lastly, we're going to end with a cool down, which you may not know, but it is just as important as the warm-up because you don't want your muscles to get sore or achy. So we're also going to do a fun little cool down at the end of the activity. So, hope you guys are ready.
Here we go.
Alright, hi again friends. We're going to start warming up by doing some stretches. So our first stretch, you're going to be standing nice and tall, and then you're going to reach down and touch your toes, just like my friends are showing here. And then we're going to count to 10. Count with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And stand up. Good job, friends.
All right, now for our arm stretches, we're going to bring our right arm over our body and stretch it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now switch arms and do the same stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to bring our elbow over our head, and we're going to take our hand behind our back and try and grab our hand that's over our head. It's okay if you can't reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, next we are going to stretch our arms a little bit by doing little windmills, little circles with your arms. And if you're with a buddy, make sure you spread out so you don't run into each other. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to go in reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, now we're going to stretch our legs. So you're going to grab your right foot with your right hand and pull it till you feel a stretch in the upper part of your leg. And if you're losing balance, it helps if you stare at a spot on the floor and don't take your eyes off of it. Alright, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, and now we're going to switch, do the same thing but on your left side and stare at that spot on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, friends, now we're going to continue our stretches on the ground. So go ahead and take a seat. Take one leg out and put the other leg in and reach out and touch your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now switch to the other leg and touch your toe again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring both legs out and try and stretch to touch both toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, guys, while still sitting down, you're going to put your feet together just like my friends are showing you. And then try and bend over. Try to get your nose to your toes. It's okay if you can't do that, but we're going to get a nice good stretch, and let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, now put one leg over the other and twist with your elbow against your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now switch legs and do the same stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, friends. So now we are going to roll over onto our stomach, and you're going to push yourself up just like a seal to stretch your back. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that we've finished some of our indoor stretches, we're going to move to the question activity. So we're going to ask you 6 different questions, and depending on your answer for the question will determine what exercise you're going to do. So for the first 3 questions, the 2 different kinds of exercises you might do are squats or jumping jacks. All right, here we go.
All right, friends, question number 1 is, do you like winter better or summer better? If you like winter better, you're going to do 5 squats. And if you like summer better, you're going to do 5 jumping jacks. Go. All right.
All right, for our next question, it is, do you like breakfast better or dinner? If you like breakfast, do 5 squats. If you like dinner better, do 5 jumping jacks.
Now for the next question, do you like dogs better or do you like cats better? If you like dogs better, you're going to do 5 squats. If you like cats better, you're going to do 5 jumping jacks. Here you go.
All right, friends, we have 3 more questions for you guys, but this time we have 2 different exercises to do. The first one is called a plank. So you're going to be up on your elbows and up on your toes, but if that's a little too difficult, you can drop down to your knees, and that is also totally fine, and we're going to hold that for 10 seconds. And our other exercise for these questions is called a wall sit. You're just going to put your back up against the wall and your feet flat on the ground and pretend like you're sitting in a chair. And we're also going to hold that for 10 seconds. All right, our first question is, do you like art more or do you like music more? If you like art, you're going to plank, and if you like music, you're going to do a wall sit. All right, I'm going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Our next question is, do you like sandals or tennis shoes better? If you like sandals, you're going to do a plank. If you like tennis shoes, you're going to do a wall sit. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, for our last question, do you like the beach more or do you like mountains more? If you like the beach more, you're going to do a 10-second plank. If you like the mountains more, you're going to do a 10-second wall sit. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, everybody.
Good job, guys.
Now that we've finished our indoor activities, we're going to go ahead and head outside. And here are some things you're going to need to bring with you.
So you're going to need to grab some chalk for our obstacle course.
You're going to need some tennis shoes.
You're going to need to grab a jacket since it's going to be a little chilly outside.
Don't forget your water to stay hydrated.
And although you can do it by yourself, this is way more fun with a buddy or two. If you don't have that, grab a parent or a sibling.
See you soon.
Okay. We are going to do these inside because we have some space, but we recommend that you go outside because we don't think your parents really want you running and skipping and jumping in the house. So, all right, let's go.
Alright friends, now that we're outside or somewhere where you have lots of space, first we're going to do some high knee skips.
After those high knee skips, we're going to do a few lunges back. So here are those demonstrated. Get as low as you possibly can. Yeah.
All right, now that we got those lunges done, we're going to move on to butt kicks.
Alright friends, this next one is kind of tricky. We're going to do something called the karaoke. Oh, I think we should look at that one close up. Let's take a look. Alright friends, we're going to do that one more time. So you're going to cross over, step out, and then go behind and step out. And just keep repeating those steps. I know you guys can do it.
Okay, for our final stretch and warm up, we're going to do one quick sprint. Ready, set, go.
Don't forget to drink some water. Alright guys, so we're going to show you what to do with the obstacle course outside now. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the lines. So first we have a straight line, so we're going to balance on it. And now we have a zigzag, so do your best to follow the zigzag. And then we have our swirly. So when you go around the swirl, spin your body and keep following it. And you can make these as long or short as you'd like.
Now for the circles, we are going to do bunny hops. Okay, and then when you get to any kind of triangle, you're going to do 5 of something. So maybe 5 squats, or maybe take 5 deep breaths, or take a 5-second break. 5 of something.
Alright, and then for the last few shapes, we have squares. And what you're going to do with the squares is you're going to start in one square, and you're going to do lunges all the way to the end. And you can draw as many squares as you want, but you should have at least 2 for this one. And then we have diamonds, which are kind of like squares, but a little different. And you're going to draw 1 at your starting point and 1 at your finishing point. And you're going to skip from the first one to the second one. And then lastly, you will draw 3 X's in a row. You'll start on this one, and you'll do jumping jacks, and your feet will hit the outside X's. So it'll look like this.
Alright guys, now I'm going to show you what the full course looks like.
Now we're gonna do a little bit of a cool down exercise. If you guys wanna start.
Alright guys, you guys can choose what stretches you want to do, but if you want to copy us, you can. So first we're going to do the arm stretches we did at the beginning. Let's do some arm circles. Reverse. And now we're going to do our
Leg stretches.
Make sure to look at the dot on the ground.
Switch. Alright guys, if you feel like you need to do more stretches, go ahead and do it, and remember to drink lots of water.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today.
We hope you had a great time.
Remember to stay active, eat healthy, and drink lots of water.
Bye.